I'll share 3 little known Facebook ads tricks that will give your campaigns an unfair advantage and you'll be able to get sales even if the world is falling apart. Here's what we're covering in this video. Unfair advantage trick number 1. Why are all the best Facebook ads already created for you and where to go to find ads that are so persuasive that make people buy from you immediately? No, it's not the Facebook ads library. No, it's not even AI. Unfair advantage trick number 2. How to trick your Facebook ads into converting when nothing seems to work. And finally, unfair advantage trick number 3. The number 1 Facebook ads setting to outsmart Mark Zuckerberg, so you spend money on ads only if you're 100% sure that your ads deliver profitable conversions. Now let's start with unfair advantage trick number 1. Imagine having the superpower to read people's minds. With this mind reading superpower, you know exactly what people want. You could create ads that speak directly into people's deepest desires. This mind-reading superpower allows you to tap into your target audience's subconscious mind. It helps you create ads that are so persuasive that people can't help but buy from you. And the best thing is that this thing already exists. Well, kind of. Yes, this means all the ads have already been created for you. You don't need to hire expensive copywriters. You don't even need to write ads yourself. So here's how to read your target audience mind to find the best ads for your next campaign. This is what you need to do. You need to go to Amazon.com and find similar products to yours. Then you need to scroll to the comment section and you need to start generating ideas for your next ad. And here, the best copy is written for you. In the Amazon reviews section, you can tap into people's deepest desire. But of course, it's not that simple. Here's the best way to do it. Let's say we have to set up ads for a keto product. The way I'll do it, I'll go to Amazon.com and search for the best-selling books on keto. And then I'll scroll through the comments and I'll start reading. The reason why I like going to Amazon, but not Facebook groups or Reddit, is because on Amazon, I can access buyers, people who spend money to buy similar products. And this is much more powerful. This means that our target market is interested. They're buyers. They already went through the product. They already bought the product that is similar to mine. That's why I like Amazon the most. In the comments, I can find out what people really want and their struggles and challenges. So this gives me an idea of what to include in my ad. I'll open a Google document and copy and paste the top 10 positive comments and the top 10 negative comments of similar products to the one that I'm advertising, and based on those, I'll create my ads. In some campaigns, all I need to do is just copy and paste a comment, slightly edit it, and this comment outperforms some of my best ads so far. So this is extremely powerful strategy, but there is also something else that you need to know. We all know copy is extremely important to drive sales, but more is needed to compete with other smart marketers, especially if your niche is super competitive. And here's where unfair advantage trick number 2 comes to play. And the second trick has a lot to do with the ad creative. Let me explain. First, let's play a game. Imagine you have to sell your old Toyota on Facebook. To sell your old car, let's try running 2 different ads. Both of the ads will have the same ad copy. The ad copy will say, I'm selling my 2009 Toyota Camry. It only has 100,000 miles and the car is in a very good condition. But the ads will have different pictures. The first Facebook ads will use the following pictures. We'll download images from the Toyota official website that are the same model and year as the car you have right now. These images will look fancy and professional, and in these images the car will look like brand new. The second Facebook ad will use the following pictures. We'll go outside and take pictures of the car in its current condition. We'll represent the car the way it looks right now. The pictures won't hide the little scratches or imperfection of your old Toyota Camry. When people on Facebook who are really interested in buying an old car see the fancy pictures of your old Toyota, they'll probably think that's a scam because the Toyota is described as old, made in 2009, but in these pictures the car looks like brand new. So most people won't click on your ad with the fancy images because to them it's not realistic for a 2009 Toyota to look brand new. And another interesting thing happened to me the other day. I was browsing a website trying to purchase new gym shorts. While the main pictures on the website looked great, featuring super muscular model, I was skeptical if the clothing would fit me and if it will be of a good quality. Unfortunately, I'm not a fitness model, I'm just a Facebook marketer. I just needed something else to make an informed decision. That's why I scrolled through the comment section where people posted pictures of how they look in the same gym shorts. Also, those people shared how they felt about the quality, and based on the pictures in the comments, I made my decision to buy. It was the ugly images in the comments of the review section of the people who purchased the product that made my decision to buy, not the fancy images of the supermodel. Having powerful ads on Facebook is not about having the most beautiful and fancy images or videos. It's more about giving potential buyers a more accurate representation of your product. So stop trying to create fancy and good-looking ads. Facebook ads should build trust and credibility, and that's often achieved by showing your product or service in its current condition. But of course, having a persuasive copy and engaging creative is not the whole picture. There is one more thing we need to add to the list to give your Facebook ads an unfair advantage, and this brings us to trick number 3. And let me ask you, do you have days where you spend too much money on Facebook ads without getting enough conversions? Well, it's because you are enabling a setting in your Facebook ads dashboard that tells Facebook ads to spend all of your money no matter if they can bring you profitable leads or sales. It's kind of like giving Mark Zuckerberg your credit card and telling him, hey Mark, spend as much money as you want. I don't care. However, you do care, and this happens when you use automatic bidding in your ad campaigns. This is the default state of your Facebook ads account. So here's what it looks like and how to change it. When setting up your campaign, try filling up the cost per result field instead of using the highest volume bid strategy. When you enable this setting, Facebook ads will strive to keep costs around the amount for the results you're optimizing. For example, if you're optimizing for purchases, you may set your cost per result goal as the average cost per purchase that will keep you profitable. If you can afford to spend $50 per purchase, set the cost per result goal to $50. That way, Facebook will spend your money only if they believe they'll get you profitable conversions. I know it sounds perfect, but there is a twist. On some days, your ads might not be spending the budget. If that's the case, check out this video that will show you what to do if your Facebook ads are not spending the budget. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn how to run ads better than 99% of the marketers out there, check out my online course, The Targeting Academy, which will help you run Facebook ads like nobody else. Link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe. Go ahead and watch some of my previous videos.